Hello again, tech enthusiasts. It's Rahim here at the Everyday Talk, and today we're exploring whether the iPad 9th generation still holds up in 2024 and how it is handling the test of time. In this video, we will be discussing the latest iOS in iPad 9, its performance in the everyday tasks, some interesting accessories you should pair it up with, and much more. So if you're contemplating whether this iPad is the right tech for you, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our tech community. Starting off with its design, the iPad 9th generation maintains Apple's classic aesthetic with its sturdy aluminium frame and 10.2-inch Retina display. It's built to endure the rigors of daily use, making it an ideal companion for students and professionals alike who had to take their devices into the field without the hassle of caring more about a super expensive device than the work itself. Plus, it's one of the last models to feature a headphone jack and the traditional home button, combining classic features with modern performance. If you find this mix of old and new intriguing, why not subscribe for more thoughtful reviews? Underneath its familiar exterior, the iPad 9 packs the A13 Bionic chip, providing more than sufficient power for everyday tasks like streaming, web browsing, and using educational apps. This chip ensures that the device runs smoothly, whether you're juggling multiple tasks or playing the latest games. It stands strong and tall, even in our tests of video editing, with some 1080p streams and audio on VN and CapCut. Enjoying the video so far, or learned something new? Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Turning to software, iPadOS 18 brings a wealth of features, enhancing the device's usability. Multitasking is more intuitive than ever, with improvements to split view and slide over. And the first-generation Apple Pencil support turns this iPad into a note-taking and sketching tool that rivals more expensive alternatives. The new Apple Intelligence features may not work great of this iPad, but still the availability of apps like GoodNotes 5 and 6, along with new Calculator app, this device can do wonders for anyone interested in note-taking or any such work. Remember to subscribe for updates on software enhancements and tech tips, as most of you watching haven't subscribed yet to join the family. The iPad 9th generation isn't just about performance, it's about enhancing user experience. It supports the Smart Keyboard, Apple Pencil, and some third-party accessories like Logitech Slim Folio case and much more, expanding its capabilities from a mere tablet to a dynamic tool for creation and productivity. While these accessories are sold separately, they are worth considering if you aim to maximize your iPad's potential. Stick around and subscribe for reviews on these accessories and more. Let's talk money. The iPad 9 initially retailed at $329, making it one of the most affordable tablets in Apple's lineup. Even after its discontinuation, its value proposition remains strong compared to newer models that might not offer significant upgrades for everyday users. And talking about software support and Apple's commitment to provide value for money, let's explore the competition. Comparing the iPad 9 to its contemporaries, such as the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, it still stands out in terms of performance and ecosystem integration. Apple's chipset and software optimization mean that the iPad often outperforms competitors with similar or lower price points. At this point, kindly subscribe for more insights and support, so we can bring more value to our content for you guys. While the iPad 9 offers great value, it's important to consider its limitations. The base model comes with 64 gigabytes of storage, which might be insufficient if you're looking to store a lot of media. Moreover, while it supports cellular connectivity, it's limited to 4G speeds. If these are deal breakers for you, it might be worth looking at newer models or alternatives. To conclude, the iPad 9th generation is a testament to Apple's ability to create enduring products. It balances performance, price, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable tablet without needing cutting-edge features. What do you think after this review? Is the iPad 9th generation the right choice for you in 2024? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and ask questions in the comments or on my Instagram account, available in the description below. With that, thanks for tuning into the Everyday Talk, guys. If this review helped you, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech reviews, tips, and tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. See you in the next video.